Hey everyone, I am back and welcome back to Highfield. I have something to show you guys, so let me show you guys right now. Just sort of like, boom. What do you guys think? That's not all. Pretty damn sick, eh? So let's go. I have not tried all these guys. Oh, come on. Oh, boom, here we go. It's break, break. There, we made it. As a break, I let go. That was an amazing stop. This back are rolling off. And then he stopped on the side of the road. Enemy. Well, okay. Yes. I need the voice to go here. Mm. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to buy some of these. I have enough money to buy the next car, but I think I'm just gonna use this one. I feel so sorry for the first place too. Right. Final lap. so far behind. Oh, here he comes. And there I have it. Hey, this will be really down to. This will be down to how much? No, no, this is it. Mhm, yeah. Oh, I just got a hint to look out for shortcuts. Does that mean this game has shortcuts? I haven't seen any of them. That would make the game so much more easier if I knew there were shortcuts. Thanks to the hint, now I know it. Oh no, oh I'm so sorry. So which routes that don't have arrows is shortcuts, I'm guessing. I don't think that's a shortcut. Oh, that is sick. I when you just located the mufflers. I don't think that one had any shortcuts. Unless if I'm literally blind. Okay guys, one last race and then that's gonna wrap it up. I think I see a shortcut right behind us. This is our one lap, so that doesn't make any sense. Unless if that's where the shortcut ends. Okay, I'm gonna try my best not to damage his car. There you go. I don't want to be damaging everybody's car just to get ahead of them. I have a feeling there's gonna be a shortcut right in here. But there really isn't. Like usually in most games, like the tunnels were the shortcuts. I did see a route, but it was blocked off. And these races are easy. Wow. Wow, that was hard. I can find it. And look, these are all going straight across over. Wowzers. Just wowzers. Okay, this is gonna do it. Oh, geez, sorry about that. Peace out. I'm not feeling well today at all.